So what are you doing, Jarrod?
Real cutting the
I had it in the bag and it bounced me.
You good?
It feels like it's starting to burn.
We'll find out in a few.
Removing the fangs of the lionfish, huh? So to speak. Defanging or de-spining. Let's get a close-up shot of that thing. There we go. So now Nicole's going to have to make herself a lionfish recipe.
Yep.
When did you guys catch these today?
Just now.
I started to get you all lemonade.
By the way, there's another group class on Thursday.
Oh, I'm not. No, on tomorrow, Wednesday.
Wednesday?
Tomorrow.
Okay.
Maybe did I get a booking for Thursday?
No.
Wednesday is sandals.
Okay.
Why does it look like it's still alive?
Say that again?
Why does it look like it's still alive?
Alright, hold them up to the camera so you can see what you did.
I'm just cutting out.
Okay. That's the new one though, right?
No, this is the same. Oh, yeah.
So what's poisonous, Jarrod?
Okay, there's the one. The spines.
The spines.